So walking towards the westbound platform at museum, there's 2 rows of cuordroy tactile with mini cobbles. Just crossing the track now to the other side again. Some rows of mini cobbles beside the cuordroy tactile. So walking on the losenge tactile at the platform edge and towards the front of the platform. So not sure where this tram is going, so I'll go to the left over to the health point. It's a validator, and that's our information panel. There's the health point. Now, is that pressing? I think it's stuck. No, it's stuck.